Hello, welcome back to my channel. So here I'll be showing you how to make sweet potato porridge. Sweet potato porridge is something that you can make for your family, for yourself, easy recipe. So we have the sweet potato and we have the purple potatoes. Both have health benefits such as blood sugar control, antioxidants, and lots of fiber. You can add this to your pot after you've added some palm oil, onions, locust beans to the pot, fry till it's translucent and ready. Then you have the green pepper, tomato, onions, and carrots mixture. Blend that till it's smooth, then add it to the oil mixture, okay? So once that is added, you fry till it's done. Then you add some seasoning, such as chicken seasoning, pepper, salt, to the pepper mixture. And then once that is cooked for a few minutes, you're going to add your cut up potatoes into the pot. Okay. Comment below if you've had sweet potatoes like this. What did you enjoy about it? And how do you eat your sweet potatoes? Please comment, like, share, and let me know if you like this recipe. So I have my sweet potatoes in the pot. I'm stirring it up. And then I'll be adding a little bit of water to help cook the potatoes till it's soft. Once that is soft, I will mash it up to the consistency I want. This is me mashing it up to the consistency I want. You can pair these potatoes with protein of your choice, fish, chicken, beef, whatever you want. Very easy dinner recipe. Try it and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.